Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making homemade bread. Very simple and easy. So keep watching to see how easy it is to make. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First, I'm going to measure in 4 cups of bread flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. I will mix very well to combine and add water. 1 1/4 cup of water. I will mix until it forms a dough.
This food is yummy. Delicious.
Once that is done, I will transfer to my workspace and add 7 tablespoons of salted butter. I'm going to knead it for about 15 minutes. Once that is done, I'm going to allow it to rest in a warm place for about 1 hour. One hour later, I will deflate the dough, cut it into 2 and roll it tightly.
Yummy. Delicious.
Once that is done, I'm going to cover and allow it to rest for 45 minutes. 45 minutes later, I will transfer in my preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes or until done. And 30 minutes later, our homemade bread is ready. It turned out so good and I hope you're going to give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!